Good day children, Sai Ram. In today's class of English New Voices, we will start with the revision of lesson number 1, Peter Enters the Garden. But before that, I would like to give a few important instructions. Children, this year the first unit test will be conducted online. The exams will be of 20 marks and a time period of 1 hour will be allotted to complete all the papers. Only objective type of questions will be asked for the exams. So children, you need not type anything on your exam sheets. The only thing that you have to do is to read all the questions carefully and then select the correct option from the given options. Children, this week will be the revision week. All the classes conducted this week will be very important from the exam point of view. All the subject teachers will give you a thorough revision on all the lessons that are there for the first unit test. So children, it would be advisable that you don't miss any of the revision videos and watch the revision videos as many times as possible so that you are thorough with all the questions that can possibly be asked for the first unit test. Now coming to English. English subject is divided into 3 parts: New Voices, Grammar and Active English. Out of 20 marks, 12 marks will be allotted for New Voices, 4 marks for Grammar and 4 marks for Active English. Now regarding the question head. Children, as we proceed with our revision video, you will get a better understanding of the question heads that will be asked for the exams. So now children, without wasting any more time, let us start. The first question head is, select the correct option to complete the sentences. The first one, most of the boys play dash in the class. Most of the boys play dash in the class. Which is the correct option? Mischief or hockey? Yes, mischief. We cannot play hockey in the class. Can we? No. So, mischief is the correct option. Most of the boys play mischief in the class. What do you mean by mischief? Yes, it is an undesirable behavior. The next one. The mobile phone fell dash the bed. The mobile phone fell dash the bed. Is it underneath or around? What do you mean by around? Yes, on all the sides. Can a mobile phone fall on all the sides? No. So which is the correct option? Yes, underneath. The mobile phone fell underneath the bed. The next one. I miss my school days dash. Is it successfully or dreadfully? Yes, dreadfully. Dreadfully means very badly. You all miss your school days very badly. Yes or no? Yes. So I miss my school days dreadfully. The thief was dash when he saw the police. The thief was dash when he saw the police. Is it frightened or straightened? Yes, frightened. The thief was frightened when he saw the police. The children were jumping up and down with dash. The children were jumping up and down with dash. Is it harassment or excitement? Yes, excitement. The children were jumping up and down with excitement. Okay, the next one. The mouse dash when he saw the cat. The mouse dash when he saw the cat. Is it muttered or scuttered? Yes. Scuttered. Scuttered means moved hurriedly. The mouse scuttered when he saw the cat. Raj is a very dash boy. Is it mischief or naughty? Raj is a very dash boy. Yes, Raj is a very naughty boy. Very good. The next one. The worm dash out of the rotten apple. The worm dash out of the rotten apple. Is it jumped or wriggled? Can a worm jump? No. So which one is the correct option? Wriggled. Very good. The worm wriggled out of the rotten apple. Now the second question head. Select the correct past tense of the following words. Select the correct past tense of the following words. Past tense of go is went or goes. Is it went or goes? Yes, went. Past tense of go is went. Next one. Plan. What is the past tense of plan? Yes, it is planned. But which one is the correct spelling? Is it P-L-A-N-N-E-D or P-L-A-N-E-D? Yes, P-L-A-N-N-E-D. Plan, planned. The correct spelling is P-L-A-N-N-E-D. The next one, rush. The past tense of rush is rushed. But which one is the correct spelling? Is it R-U-S-H-E-D rushed or R-U-S-S-H-E-D rushed? Yes, R-U-S-H-E-D rushed. Okay. Beg. Past tense of beg is begged. But which one is correct? Is it B-E-G-E-D or B-E-double-G-E-D? Yes, B-E-double-G-E-D, begged. The next one, catch. Past tense of catch is catched or caught. Yes, very good children. Past tense of catch is caught. Past tense of catch is caught. Wriggle. Past tense of wriggle is wriggled. Which one is correct? W-R-I-G-G-L-E-D or W-R-I-G-L-E-D? Yes, the first one, that is W-R-I-G-G-L-E-D, wriggled. The next one, gather. Past tense of gather is gathered. But which one is correct? Is it G-A-T-H-E-R-R-E-D or is it G-A-T-H-E-R-E-D? Yes, very good. G-A-T-H-E-R-E-D. Very good. The next one, past tense of buy is brought or bought? Yes, past tense of buy is bought and the past tense of bring is brought. The past tense of buy is bought. Very good. Now the next question head. Select the correct antonyms of the given words. Antonyms means opposites. Okay. First one is least. Opposite of least is less or most? Yes, most. Opposite of least is most. The next one, top. Antonym of top is bottom or below? Yes, top, bottom. Very good. The next one, fast. Antonym of fast is low or slow? Is it low or slow? Yes, very good. Fast, slow, top, bottom. The next one, straight. Antonym of straight is crooked or straightened? Crooked or straightened? Yes, crooked. Now the next one, under. Antonym of under is below or above? Is it below or above? Yes, above. So, opposite of under is above and opposite of straight is crooked. Next one, after. Opposite of after is before or in between? Yes, before. After, before. Old. Antonym of old is new or older? Yes, new. Antonym of old is new and antonym of after is before. Now the next question head. Select the correct option to tell who said the following to whom. Select the correct option to tell who said the following to whom. Stop thief. Who said this to whom? Mrs. Rabbit said to her children or Mr. McGregor said to Peter? Yes, Mr. McGregor said to Peter when Peter was eating the vegetables from his garden. So the correct option is Mr. McGregor said to Peter. The next one, don't go into Mr. McGregor's garden. Who said this to whom? Mrs. Rabbit said to Peter or Mrs. Rabbit said to her children? Yes, Mrs. Rabbit said to her children. The next one, now run along and don't get into any mischief. Now run along and don't get into any mischief. Who said this? Peter said to Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail or Mrs. Rabbit said to her children? Is it Peter said to Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail or is it Mrs. Rabbit said to her children? Yes, Mrs. Rabbit said to her children. The next one, your father had an accident there. Who said this? Mopsy said to Peter or Mrs. Rabbit said to Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter? Yes, the second one is correct. Mrs. Rabbit said to Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. Okay. Now the next question head. Select the correct option to answer the following in one sentence. Select the correct option to answer the following in one sentence. Where did Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail go? Where did Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail go? Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail went down the lane to gather blackberries, or Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail went to McGregor's garden. Which is the correct option? Yes. Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail went down the lane to gather blackberries because they were good bunnies. The next one, Who did Peter ask for directions to the gate? Who did Peter ask for directions to the gate? Peter asked Mr. McGregor for directions to the gate, or Peter asked an old mouse for directions to the gate? Yes, Peter asked an old mouse for directions to the gate. The next one. Where did Peter hide in the tool shed? Where did Peter hide in the tool shed? Peter hid inside a can in the tool shed, or Peter hid behind the can in the tool shed? Yes, which one is correct? Yes, the first one is correct. Peter hid inside a can in the tool shed. Okay. The next one. When Peter got caught in the net, who went up to him? When Peter got caught in the net, who went up to him? When Peter got caught in the net, some friendly sparrows went up to him, or when Peter got caught in the net, Flopsy and Mopsy went up to him? Yes, the first option is the correct one. When Peter got caught in the net, some friendly sparrows went up to him. The next one. Why did Peter not go with his siblings? Why did Peter not go with his siblings? Peter did not go with his siblings because he wanted to play alone, or Peter did not go with his siblings because he wanted to go to McGregor's garden? Yes, the second option is the correct option. Peter did not go with his siblings because he wanted to go to McGregor's garden. The next one. Why did Mr. McGregor call Peter a thief? Why did Mr. McGregor call Peter a thief? Mr. McGregor called Peter a thief because he was eating the vegetables from McGregor's garden, or Mr. McGregor called Peter a thief because he had entered McGregor's garden without his permission? Which one is the correct option? Yes, Mr. McGregor called Peter a thief because he was eating the vegetables from McGregor's garden. Very good. Now the last one. Why did Mrs. Rabbit tell her children not to go to Mr. McGregor's garden? Why did Mrs. Rabbit tell her children not to go to Mr. McGregor's garden? Mrs. Rabbit told her children not to go to Mr. McGregor's garden because their father had an accident there? Or is it Mrs. Rabbit told her children not to go to Mr. McGregor's garden because McGregor did not like children? Which one is the correct option? Yes, the first one. Mrs. Rabbit told her children not to go to Mr. McGregor's garden because their father had an accident there. Children, with this we come to the end of today's revision class. You all have answered all my questions very well. I know you all are thorough with this lesson now. So children, see you all in the next revision class. In the next revision class, we will revise the poem, that is, I asked the little boy who cannot see, and lesson number 3, Catch That Cat. Till then, take care. Bye. Sai Ram.